Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious creamy vegetable salad. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll want fresh, crisp vegetables like vibrant carrots, cool cucumbers, and colorful bell peppers. The secret to creaminess lies in the dressing, often made with a base of mayonnaise or Greek yogurt. Remember, keeping all your ingredients well chilled is key to achieving that perfect, refreshing texture and maximizing the overall flavor of your salad. It makes a huge difference. Now, let's move on to preparing your vegetables. It's crucial to wash and thoroughly dry everything first. This step prevents your salad from becoming watery. Next, chop your chosen vegetables into small, uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch cubes. Consistency and size ensures every bite is perfect. Don't forget to include a variety of colors. This not only makes your salad visually appealing, but also provides a wider range of nutrients, making it both beautiful and healthy. The heart of our creamy vegetable salad is, of course, the dressing. To make it, combine 1 cup of your preferred base, either mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Then add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, along with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Whisk all these ingredients together thoroughly until the dressing is completely smooth and free of any lumps. This ensures a luxurious, even coating for your vegetables. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold your prepared, chopped vegetables into the creamy dressing. Be careful not to overmix, as this can bruise the vegetables. Once combined, refrigerate the salad for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, consider garnishing with some fresh herbs like chopped parsley or dill for an extra burst of freshness and a lovely presentation. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.